Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you step by step how to disable pop-up ads on Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Unlock your phone and open the Settings applications. This is the central hub where you can manage and customize almost every feature on your device. Step 2. In Settings, locate Connections and tap to open it. This section manages all your network and connectivity options, which is where we'll adjust the DNS settings to block ads. Step 3. Scroll down and tap More Connection Settings. Here you'll find additional network-related options that aren't visible in the main menu. Step 4. Next, look for Private DNS and tap to open it. Private DNS is a secure way to manage how your phone connects to the internet, and it can also help block unwanted ads. Step 5. Select Private DNS Provider hostname, then type in dns.adguard.com. This sets your phone to use AdGuard's DNS, which is designed to block pop-up ads, trackers, and other intrusive content. Finally, hit Save to apply the changes. Your phone should now have significantly fewer pop-up ads while browsing apps or websites. Enjoy a cleaner, ad-free experience. And make sure to share this tip with your friends who might be struggling with annoying pop-ups. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.